How to delete a group created on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Snapchat application. Go to the chat section. Then go to groups. Enter the group. Tap on the group profile. Go to the three dot and now you will be able to see leave group option. But if you want to entirely delete the group chat, what you have to do is remove the group member individually. Simply tap and hold the person and then go to remove from group. After you have removed all the person, you just have to go and tap on the three dot and leave group. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.